A few inches later. A few inches later.
Oh, may video ka, sister. Oh, mas may video ka.
Hi guys. Yes, thank you, sir. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Garnet Rita Guapa. Nandito ako sa PICC ngayon guys para sa graduation ng aking pamangkin. Samahan niyo ako guys na i-witness ito.
A few inches later.
Ano ba yun? Ay, mga prayer, gano'n.
Opo, mga ganyan po. Wait na kayo pagdating nyo doon.
Oo nga, yun. Mag-ano ako, diba? Pero mas mabilis yung angkas.
Mas mabilis po talaga. Kaso yung init.
Nainitan ako, sir, eh.
Ay, sobrang init. Dito po nga, ako nga po dito sa sasakyan. Minsan nainitan pa ako eh.
6.5 hours later.
So, ito na siya guys, no? Ito yung entrance ng PICC. So, first time ko pa lang talaga dito guys. Ayan guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng chandelier. O, diba? Ayan. So, may paano pala. May paano dito guys. So, may paano dito guys. PICC. Ayan.
These remains only for our doxology to be followed by the Philippine National Anthem. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering all of us today in this important event. Turns to their efforts put in throughout their academic endeavor. Candidates, say goodbye to the comfortable and secure life within the college walls. Prepare yourselves to a new chapter in your life. Today is a day full of joy, the day about pride and accomplishments, the day that no one or nothing can stop.
We have been praying for this moment every single day. Finally, here we are. Yes, we made it. Since we are here right now and God bring our imagination to reality, let's also take a moment right now and do a little exercise. Everyone, I want Kailangan magsisiya break. Sige na, huwag niyo nang pakahabaan. Dito ko na kayo lalagyan. First.
Give it up for your faculty members as well. For the administrative staff. And of course, for our beloved Dean, Ariago. And most especially, to your parents. Alright, so this is it. You did it, guys. Please settle down as we are going to have the exit of the colors.
Exit of colors.